welcome to how to build 3D printed models using examples from the Newman miniatures range. This time we're looking at fitting of wheels, a very simple process. As you can see on the locomotive, they simply slot into place. A set of wagon wheels with the pins cut off and a set of drivers. Each model gives details in the descriptions of what wheels and other materials are required. Now, once the wheels have been slotted into the locomotive like this, you'll see that there are 4 very small pieces of plastic which are designed to act as keeper plates. Now, using a pin, a little bit of glue is added, as you can see. This is being shown in real time. And then those keeper plates will simply be lifted into position. Can be a little bit fiddly, but as a general rule is very simple. These keeper plates are simply cut from strip plastic and so are very simple. For the tender, the wheels are just as simple. They simply clip into place. Now, the plastic can be a little bit brittle, so this is a delicate process, but as you can just about see, apologies, my fingers are in the way, you can simply slot them straight into place. Now, occasionally this can cause a little bit of scratching, so you can see I'm just cleaning up the casting around. A gentle squeeze on the axle boxes together also helps to ensure smooth rolling. Once that's done, of course, the best thing is to do a little bit of a test. If it can freely roll by itself, then you know that you have a reasonably decent model. As you can see, these seem to work quite well. Now, I hope this was of interest, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. See you then.